Hello students, today I am going to solve question number 2 which is on page number 202 in your test book on death of partner. So first I am going to read out the problem. Rahul, Rohit and Ramesh are in a business sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1 respectively. The balance sheet as on 31st March 2017 was as follows. So a balance sheet is given to you. Then on 1st October 2017, Ramesh died and the partnership deed provided that. So Ramesh is the third partner, Rahul, Rohit and Ramesh. So Ramesh has been died on 1st of October. So he has worked from April to September, right? So that is what April, May, June, July and August, September. So that is for 6 months. He is working for 6 months in the firm. After 6 months he is died. Now see the adjustments. RDD was maintained at 5% on data. So see here already an RDD is there. So this is 10%. 1 lakh ka 10% hai 10,000. We have to reduce it, right, to 5%. Then next is what? Plant and machinery and investment were valued at 80,000 and 4,10,000 respectively. So plant and machinery and investment I put in a tick mark. Of the creditors, an item of 6,000 was no longer a liability and hence was properly adjusted. So I will put a tick mark on creditors. See fourth one. Profit for 2017 and 18 was estimated at 1,20,000 and Ramesh's share in it up to the date of his death was given to him. So this is the estimated profit, which is 1,20,000 for the full year, right? So accordingly we will calculate for Ramesh for 6 months. Next is what? Goodwill of the firm was valued at 2 times the average profit of last 5 years, which were. So these are the last 5 years profit given and they have asked you to value goodwill on the basis of this average profit and into 2 times. We have learned this in valuation of goodwill. So we will calculate this also. Ramesh's share in it was to be given to him. Then salary 5,000 per month was payable to him. Then interest on capital at 5% was payable and on drawings 2,000 were charged. Drawings made by Ramesh up to September 2017 were rupees 5,000 per month, right? Then they have given all this information related to Ramesh and these first 3 adjustments are related to profit and loss adjustment account. Prepare Ramesh capital account showing the amount payable to his executors and give working of profit and goodwill. So in this problem they have not asked for full ledger accounts, all ledger accounts, but they want only the Ramesh capital account and the working notes of profit and goodwill. This one, this 4th and 5th adjustment working note they need, right? Although we have to prepare profit and loss adjustment account as in working note. Okay, so I have prepared 2 accounts. One is the Ramesh capital account and next is the profit and loss adjustment account. Again this is in your working note only, right? So now we will start with the adjustments. So before starting with the adjustment, as we are not preparing a balance sheet and not posting all the items, so first go through the balance sheet. If in the balance sheet in assets side is there any profit and loss account balance or advertisement suspense account balance? No, it is not there in the asset side. Now let's check the liability side for the reserves. So we found that general reserve is there, which is 96,000. Right. So for general reserve we will have to distribute this among all the partners in the ratio of 3:2:1. In this problem we are preparing only Ramesh capital account. So see, Ramesh share will be 1 upon 6. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6 and Ramesh is having 1 part. So 1 upon 6 will be Ramesh share. So first working note we will do for general reserve. So general reserve is equals to 96,000. We are just calculating for Ramesh, right? 6 ones are 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36. 16,000 is our general reserve, right? So this will come in partners capital account. Credit side, first we will write the balance by balance brought down, and the Ramesh capital account balance. See in question, Ramesh capital account balance is 2,40,000. So 2,40,000 by general reserve account, as we calculated 16,000. Okay, and from liability there is nothing else which can be distributed or which will be paid to Ramesh. Okay, now see the first adjustment. RDD was maintained at 5% on debtors. So the debtors amount is here what? 1 lakh. So see my second working note for debtors on 1 lakh, 5% is the RDD, right? So when I cancel this, it is 5,000. Already in your balance sheet it is 10,000. Now you have to maintain at 5,000. So what is the difference? 5,000. So this is nothing but your RDD is getting cancelled, right? And whenever the RDD is cancelled, it becomes the profit for the फॉर्म, राइट, बिकॉज आपका डेटर्स उतने 5,000 से और बढ़ जाएगा, राइट। जैसे यहाँ पे जब आपने डेटर्स में से 1 लाख में से 10,000 लेस किया तो 90 हुआ था। अब यहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ 5,000 माइनस करना है, तो योर डेटर विल इंक्रीज, दैट इज़ व्हाट 95,000. So RDD cancelled means what? Profit for the business. So it will come in profit and loss adjustment credit side by RDD account cancelled, and the amount is 5,000. Now we are not preparing the balance sheet. अगर हम बैलेंस शीट बनाते थे तो हम बैलेंस शीट में भी इसका इफेक्ट देते थे, राइट। नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट. प्लांट एंड मशीनरी एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट वेर वैल्यूड एट 80,000 and 4,10,000 respectively. So we are not preparing the balance sheet, just we have to find out what is the difference between them. So see, plant and machinery is 85,000 and investment is 3,50,000. So see, plant and machinery in balance sheet is 85,000. Now you have to value it at 80,000. So plant and machinery 85,000 minus 80,000. So what is the difference? 5,000. You are reducing it, right? This is minus, this is what? Decrease. So whenever there is decrease in the value of asset, it's a loss. Same way we will calculate first for investment also. Now investment, see, it's 3,50,000 and you have to show investment on 4,10,000. So investments 4,10,000 minus 3,50,000. So here in investment it has been increasing, right? The amount has been increasing by rupees 60,000. So this is plus increase, right? So for plant and machinery it was decrease, so it's my loss. So I will write in profit and loss adjustment debit side to plant and machinery account 5,000. Now see, investment is increasing, so when asset is increased, it's a profit, so it will come in the credit side of profit and loss adjustment account by investments account, and this is how much? 60,000, right? See the third adjustment. Of the creditors, an item of 6,000 was no longer a liability and hence was properly adjusted. 6,000 we are not supposed to pay now, so your creditors is decreasing, right? So when your creditor decreases, it's your profit. Liability कम हो रहा है तो आपका profit है. So again this will come in my profit and loss adjustment account credit side by creditors account directly 6,000. We are not preparing the balance sheet, so second effects are not given for these first, second and third adjustment, right? So these are the only adjustment relating to profit and loss adjustment account. So I can close this account right now itself. See, the total of credit side is more, so that is was 60 plus 6, 66, 66 plus 5, that will be 71,000. So now from this 71,000, when I will deduct 5,000, I will get a balance of 66,000. So this is nothing but profit. So this will be transferred to partners capital account in bracket profit, and the three partners are Rahul, Rohit and Ramesh. So Rahul, Ramesh, Rohit and Ramesh, and the profit sharing ratio of them are 3:2:1. So this is to be divided into 3:2:1. That is, I will divide it by 6, so I will get 11,000. 6 11s are 66. So for Rahul, it will be 11,000 into 3, that is 33,000. For Rohit, it will be 11,000 into 2, that is what, 22,000. And for Ramesh, it will be 11,000. Right? So inner column I will write 33,000, 22,000 and 11,000. Now this is the share. 11,000 is the share of Ramesh. So Ramesh is the deceased partner. So in Ramesh capital account, this is profit. So it will come in the credit side by profit and loss. By profit and loss adjustment account 11,000. Okay. Now we will start with the next adjustment. See, the next adjustment is profit and loss for 2017 and 18 was estimated at 1,20,000, and Ramesh share up to his death has to be given to him. From the last year profits, they must have estimated that this year they will be earning a profit of 1,20,000. So whenever such types of adjustment are there, the amount will be transferred to profit and loss suspense account. Right? So now we will do the working note for this. Now see, calculation of Ramesh share in profit. So for this, what we will do, see, 1,20,000 is the last year profit, right? Out of which he has worked only for 6 months. So this is for 12 months, out of which he has worked for 6 months, and his share is how much? 1/6, right? His share is 1 up, because the profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1, and Ramesh is 1/6. So the 6 gets cancelled, then 12 and 12 gets cancelled, then 2 zeros. So that is what? 10,000, right? So this 10,000, which is the estimated profit, it will go in profit and loss suspense account, right? So this will go in profit and loss suspense account. So always remember, you have to calculate for the months he is working. Moreover, that will be, अगर हम सिर्फ इतना ही कैलकुलेट करेंगे, so it would have been 60,000. So 60,000 is for full year. From that you have to calculate Ramesh share also, right? So this amount, this is profit, so it will come in Ramesh capital account credit side by profit and loss suspense account 10,000. Okay. Now see the next adjustment. This is goodwill of the firm was valued at 2 times the average profit of last 5 years. So first you have to calculate the average profit, and then you have to value the goodwill. So these are the 5-year profits, right? So in my working note, calculation of share of goodwill. So first step is to calculate the average profit, right? For this, what we will do, total profits upon number of years. So see, what is my total profit? 1,80,000, 2,50,000, 1,50,000 and 1,20,000. 20,000. This is for 5 years. There is no loss. If it were have been loss, यहाँ पे या तो अगर लॉस होगा तो वो ब्रैकेट में देंगे या फिर ये जो अमाउंट है वो ब्रैकेट में होगा, राइट. सो ऑल आर प्रॉफिट वी विल ऐड अप all the amount. So that was 1,80,000 plus 2 lakh plus 2,50,000 plus 1,50,000 plus 1,20,000 divide by 5. So this, when I total all these numbers, so I got 9 lakh. When I divided by 5, so I got rupees 1,80,000. This is my average profit. Now we will calculate the goodwill. So they have told that goodwill will be valued at 2 years purchase, right? So number of years. So average profit was 1,80,000 into number of years, means they have told you twice, right? 2 times. So this will become 3,60,000. Now this 3,60,000 is the goodwill of the firm. Now you have to calculate Ramesh share in it. Ramesh share. So 3,60,000 into 1 upon 6. So 3,60,000 into 1 upon 6. So it will become 6 ones are 6, 6 are 36. So 60,000. So 60,000 is Ramesh share in goodwill. Goodwill will come in partners capital account credit side by goodwill account 60,000. Okay. Now see the next adjustment. Salary 5,000 per month was payable to him. So salary is an income for Ramesh. So it will come in partners capital account credit side. 5,000 into, he has worked for 6 months. So 5,000 into 6 is what? 30,000. Now see the next. Interest on capital at 5% was payable and on drawings 2,000 were charged. So interest on capital is to be paid. So now interest on capital is to be paid at 5%. So interest is to be calculated on opening balance. So see in my working note, interest on capital. So 2,40,000 was the capital of Ramesh. At this 5%, again he has worked only for 6 months, right? So we will calculate it. 0, 0, 6 ones are 6 twos are 2 ones are 2 12s are 24 and 100. That is 1,200 into 5, and that will be how much? 6,000. Right? 6,000 rupees will come in the Ramesh capital account credit side. So here in credit side I will write by interest on capital count 6,000. Okay. Now see the next adjustment, that is drawings, that is interest on drawings, right? Interest on drawings charged were 2,000. And moreover, next adjustment which is given is drawings made by Ramesh up to September 2017 were 5,000 per month. So we have to do for drawings. So 2 drawings, drawings will come in the debit side, and it is 5,000 per month, right? So for 6 months it will be 30,000. And for interest on drawing, to interest on drawings account, already they have given you the amount. You don't have to calculate, they have told 2,000. So 2,000 is interest on drawing. So we have completed with all the adjustments. Now we have to close the partners capital account, that is Ramesh capital account. So when I will total this account, so credit side total I will get 3,73,000, right? So from this, when I will deduct 32,000, I will get a balance of 3,41,000, right? So this amount will be transferred to the executor. So as they have told that prepare Ramesh capital showing the amount payable to his executor, right? So here we will write to executors loan account, right? 3,41,000. Okay, so this balance will be transferred to balance sheet. We are not preparing the balance sheet, otherwise it would have been seen in balance sheet liabilities, क्योंकि अभी हमने पे नहीं किया है, ये हमने अमाउंट कैलकुलेट किया है और ये दिखाया एज अ लोन कि वी हैव टू पे इट टू whom? Ramesh, executor, right? So this account will be seen in balance sheet. So here we have completed with the problem. So in this problem we have seen that only partner's capital account was asked, although there were some adjustment related to profit and loss adjustment. So first we will calculate that only the Ramesh amounts has to be written in his capital account, for which you have to remember that he has worked for 6 months. So everything will be calculated for 6 months and written here, like salary, interest on capital, right? Drawings, all these amounts should be for 6 months. Okay. So the next problem is question number 4, which is on page number 204 of your test book for death of partner. So first I am going to read out the problem. Virendra, Devendra and Narendra were partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. The balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 was as follows. A balance sheet is given to you. Then Mr. Virendra died. So Mr. Virendra is the first partners here, Virendra, Devendra and Narendra. So Virendra has died on 31st August, right? So from April to August we have to do the calculation, that is April, May, June, July and August. So that is what, for 5 months we have to do the calculations for Virendra. See, in death, this is the thing that you have to calculate the months in which for which the partner has worked in the firm. अब डेथ तो कभी भी हो सकती है, 5 महीने में भी, 3 महीने से में भी, 1 महीने में भी, तो जैसे भी जो भी डेट दिया है accordingly you will have to calculate those months. So here we will be doing the calculation related to Virendra for 5 months, and the partnership deed provided that the event of death of Mr. Virendra, his executors be entitled to be paid out. So whatever will be the balance in Virendra capital account, we will transfer it to Virendra executors account, right? So see, the capital to his credit at the date of death. So they have asked you to prepare only Virendra account, and what should be in that account? The capital to his credit on the date of death, that is his opening balance, then his proportion of reserve and the date of last balance sheet. So here see, the reserve fund is given 30,000, so we have to transfer it that. His proportion of profit to the date of that based on average profit of last 4 years. So we have to calculate his profits on the basis of last 4 years. Then again his goodwill has to be calculated at 2 years purchase of profit of last 4 years. So we have to calculate goodwill also. Then Mr. Virendra has drawn 3,000 per month to the date of that. So this is what drawings. There is no increase and decrease in the value of assets and liabilities. So when there is no increase and decrease in assets and liabilities, it means no need of preparing revaluation account or profit and loss adjustment account. Okay. So we have to prepare Mr. Virendra executor. This is not executor, this is basically capital account. Whatever is the balance, we will tell is that Virendra executor's account, right? So we are going to prepare Virendra capital account. Now starting with the problem, see, the first thing that we have to transfer is the balance. So Virendra capital account balance is 90,000. So here in my Virendra capital account credit side, I will write by balance brought down 90,000. Now we have to transfer the reserve fund. Reserve fund is 30,000. So in my working notes, see, the first thing that I am going to calculate is reserve fund. 30,000 is the reserve fund, and the ratio which is given in the problem is 3:2:1. So Virendra ratio is 3/6. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, and Virendra is the first partner. So 3/6 is the Virendra's share, right? So directly we will calculate only for Virendra. 30,000 into 3/6. So 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are 2 15s are. So that is what, 15,000 is the share of Virendra in reserve fund. so it will come in the credit side. So here I will write by reserve fund account 15,000. Okay, then next thing that is told is about his proportion of profit, which is to be calculated on average profit of last 4 years. So 40,000, 70,000, 60,000 and 30,000 are the profit of last 4 years. So we will do the calculation of profit. The formula for profit is what? Total profit upon number of years, right? So for the total profit, the amounts which are given for the last 4 years are 40,000 plus 60,000 plus 70,000 plus 30,000 divided by, just for 1 2 3 4 4, and the total will be 2 lakh divided by 4, so it will come to 50,000, right? This is what the profit, right? Average profit. Now from this 50,000 you have to calculate Virendra share. So Virendra share, now this is 50,000 for 12 months, out of which he has worked only for 5 months, and his profit sharing ratio is what? 3/6. So when I will calculate this 50,000 into 5/12 and into 3/6. So see, 12 ones are 12, 12 fours are 48, so it will become 20. So 12 ones are 12, so become 8 will be remaining, so it will become 80. So 6 are 72, again it will be 80, again 6 are 72, and again we will put a dot and it will be 4166.6. then 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are 2.5, right? 2 twos are 4, point लगाएंगे 10 हो जाएगा 5. So now when I will multiply this, I will get 10,416.5, which as it is 0.5, we will round it off to the next number, 10,417. I will get the amount as 10,417, right? This is the estimated one, so this will be transferred to profit and loss suspense account. So this will be recorded in Virendra capital account credit side by profit and loss suspense account 10,417. Now see, they have asked you to calculate goodwill also. Goodwill will be 2 years purchase of the profit of last 4 years. So we have already calculated average profit. So for goodwill, they have told average profit into number of years. So goodwill is average profit into number of years. So average profit which we have calculated was 50,000. So 50,000 into number of years. So they have told us that it will be for 2 years, twice. So 50,000 into 2, that is what? 1 lakh rupees. Now this 1 lakh rupees is for the full form. So for Virendra share, this 1 lakh is for full form. For Virendra it will be 3/6, right? So 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are 1 lakh को जब डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें अमाउंट मिलेगा 50,000, right? So 50,000, this is what Virendra share of goodwill. So it will come in the Virendra capital account credit side by goodwill account 50,000. Now see the next one. Mr. Virendra has drawn 3,000 per month to the date of that. So this is 3,000 per month. So 3,000 into 5, this is nothing but drawings, right? So in partners capital account debit side, I will write to drawings account 3,000 into 5, that is what? 15,000. Now we have completed with all the adjustment. So we will now calculate the balance which is to be transferred to executor account. So when I will total the credit side, I will get the amount 1,65,417, and when I will deduct 15,000 from this, I will get a balance of 1,50,417, right? So this is the amount which is to be transferred to executor. So here I will write to Virend's executor, loan account, right? 1,50,417. This is the balancing figure, right? So we have completed with the problem. So again, in this problem they have just asked you the Virendra capital account. So you have to remember that he has died on 31st August. You have every calculation will be done for 5 months only, right? So today we have solved two problems, that is 2 and 4 of death of partner. Thank you.